In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can disable some of the shortcuts that come pre-enabled with the device. And we're gonna just jump straight into it by opening up our settings and then flicking all the way to the bottom to additional settings and then gesture shortcuts. Here we have the list of different shortcuts that you have access to, with some of them, actually all of them being, I believe, enabled by default outside of just the turn on torch. So we have things like Launch Digital Assistant, which would be enabled, and all you do is hold the power button for half a second. Then we have things like Take a Screenshot, Partial Screenshot, Launch Camera. I think this one is also turned off by default, Torch, and Back taps to do specific functions. Now, each one of them has a predefined action behind it. So for instance, for torch, it's just a double press of the power button. Same thing goes for the camera. So you'll need to kind of pick and choose which one you want to use. I like to use the torch. So that's what I'm going to enable right here. And also, I personally already done this, but I do dislike the hold power button for the Google Assistant. So I just will get rid of this. There's another way that you can launch Google Assistant if you want to by just swiping diagonally like so, or holding the home button depending on if you're using gestures or buttons, and both of them will just launch Gemini. So that's two different things that you can do, at least ones that I personally have done. So if you found this very helpful, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.